Does Samsung Galaxy A37 5G have 3.5mm headphone jack? Let me quickly check it out for you. So if I look at the top of the phone, I can't find any 3.5mm headphone jack, and if I look at the bottom of the phone, I can't find any 3.5mm headphone jack over here also. So we have USB Type-C port and other things, but not the 3.5mm headphone jack. And if I look at the left hand side of the phone, you can see this place is empty, no 3.5mm headphone jack over here also. And if I look at the right hand side of the phone, you can see we have side button and volume buttons, but not the 3.5mm headphone jack. So now it is confirmed that this phone, Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, doesn't have 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's it. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.